All right, good afternoon, everyone. It's 3:09 p.m. Eastern Time. It's about an hour before the market closes. And looks like over the last, what do we got here? Hour, 20, 30, half hour, kind of just dropped. Um, Take a look at this profile here. Right about, I guess it would be about an hour. Uh, took, not much. This is the first time I'm actually looking at the market. Had a bunch of things to do earlier. And a lot of volume on this candle here, about 27,000, which was a big number for the day. And a bunch of selling imbalances up here. So let me see. I mean, there's a trade in here somewhere. We pretty much made that candle up right here. And we're back at support around 38, 938 even. See if we could get to 940s, up about here. Then I'd be looking for a possible trade right around here. This is a pretty strong candle. We had selling this whole way down from here all the way down here. We had a retrace. I'm not seeing a bunch of big numbers here. I do see them about here. This is a huge number right here. So right now they're manipulating the market. Right here is where a lot of trading support. You got to remember, support is different on time frames. The support will always be the support number from where the market, but support. How am I supposed to say this? Support changes, or support levels change. When you're looking at like candlesticks, that's what I wanted to say. So here's where I want to go short. What happened here? See if I could get to it. There I go. 940, 25. I wanted to be at 940, but I got in, so we're good. Let's see what happens here. I feel lucky right about there. Go to break even. All right, so we just no win, no loss. Commission, it's a commission loss. So 940 is where I like. I still like it. I still like 940. Let's see how high we go above here. I take 940 again. This time exactly 940. Got a bunch of sellers came in, we just dropped right down. See over here? We're below the 9 EMA. About 937 I'd be all right with. We did have that pop. A lot of volume up in here. Also 19,000. We're about 12,000 right now. Bunch of buyers come in here. We'll see what happens with this candle. We got a buying imbalance. Right here was the fake out. See if you can retrace this candle. Looks like we actually could retrace that candle. Just make it quick. All right, so we're up about 1.5 points. We take a look at the numbers below the POC, which is here, and see if what kind of numbers we're getting. We take a look at the delta. We got negative delta right now. We're going to see if this number comes up or down. If I can see 200, negative 200, may happen. I'm going to take it long. I'm going to take it long right here. So we're coming less negative. Becoming less negative. This number is about the same. 303, 332. It's about the same number. Off pretty much at this bump in the profile. So when the big money thinks that the selling has subsided or there's no more sellers, they're going to take the market up. That's what I'm thinking. I'm hoping to get some momentum up in here. You can see this number here increasing. We have about 5,000 and up around here. There was a ton of trading right here. So all we need to do is pop. We have a bunch of buyers in here. 644 to 449. We got positive delta now. We're positive. We got in earlier. See if this was a good entry. 666, the number of the beast. Yeah, it looks like we're going to pop over this right. Yeah, did we just hit it? Above this this moving average. I think right about here will be a good 1-to-1 ratio. Maybe just a little more on the target. Not too much buying right here in this POC. So we're going to see if the buying increases up in here. We're still positive on the delta. This over here is pretty much a line in the sand for me. If we go below here, we're definitely increasing up in here. We're going to take that right there. We're going to move this market up right above here. All right. So, yeah, we did pretty good. And I have on this video, what do we have? 9 minutes, 54 seconds. All right, there's pretty good price action. I'm going to be done for the day. I have other things to do. I may come back about 3:30 to maybe for the close, but I got a couple of things I got to do right now, and it's not bad. A couple of minutes of work. Let's see. We started at what do we start at? We started at 3:13. It's 3:20, and so we did pretty good. Did very good. Don't know the numbers off the bat. I just have a P&L statement here. But we made a couple of points, so I'm happy there. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you guys watching. If you stayed to the end, and maybe I'll come back for the close if I'm not if I could get to it. But yeah, scalping. What's great about scalping and order flow? There's always a trade. I read a lot of or I belong to like Reddit groups and stuff like that, and people are getting traders are getting like maybe 1 or 2 or 3 setups a day or 2 days in that matter. But I understand it's probably more swing trading and more. But the way I trade very very fast, momentum, volume, and delta, and that's pretty much it. So there's always a trade up or down with futures. So please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.